Alright, this is Steve World 72 at my buddy's house. He just got a package in. We're going to do a real quick unboxing video. I see a hoe on it. Rising. Just got him a new plane. He got into the planes a little bit over a month ago.
Woo!
He bought that. Cirrus SR 1.5. Scaled elegance. SR22T. Scale airplane for intermediate to experts. Looks like it's got flaps on it. And it's a bind and fly because he's got a DX8. We stole the Lawson Road sign. Eflite, they know how to package their stuff. Their stuff is usually packaged really tight and taped up really well. All right. Oh. God. I guess they glued it to the box. There you go. Nice little plane. Packaged real nice. Got the manual. See some nice looking skirts. Got a wing. I think I'd still work on the wings. Another wing. Landing gear. And nice paint job on that skirt.
Wow, look at that landing gear.
Looks pretty tough. That's nice. Pulling out the fuselage. Oh, that paint job is, I like that color.
Nice.
It's a good looking plane. Nice paint job on it. I like it. I like that gray blue. It's like a metal blue.
Send you a picture when she's done.
Is that, look at the windows, Steve.
You can even see a pilot inside there. Nice little pilot. Has no arms. It's nice. Nice plane.
That means it's hollow if it's got windows. Platinum.
Where's the elevator?
That's probably in here still.
It's on that other end. I'll put that there. On the bottom side, you're gonna have to flip it over. Yeah. There's your spar. Got some down here. Man, you need a new blade on that knife.
I know, it's terrible, isn't it?
Look at the other landing gear. There's your horizontal, your propeller. Oh, it's got a 3-bladed propeller.
Wow.
Check that out.
Wow.
That is nice. Oh man, it's got that collet. Wow, this landing gears. Oh, this must be tail wheel. or nose wheel. That's tail wheel. Paint scheme on those are nice. Got your elevator. Nice surface on it. Carbon fiber spar.
Looks like everything.
Got your spar for the rear and spar for the main wing. Servo arms. Hardware. Bind plug. Nice. Nothing else in there?
Nope, that is it.
That's it. Got the wings. I like that fuselage.
I haven't seen one with windows in it. Foam with windows.
We got a little gauge cluster in there, so the pilot can read what he's doing.
Oh man, it's got flaps on it?
Yeah.
Awesome. It's got flaps.
Got flaps. No steering wheel.
Lights. It's got some nice lights on it.
Oh, it's lit up too. Inside.
It's an OMG plane. Look at the numbers on it, Steve.
OMG.
OMG.
N21. OMG. Thanks for watching. Please like. We'll have videos of it flying in the future, and it's platinum. It's a nice plane, Mike.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching.